Okay, so we've got our bracket mocked up here. I'm going to show you guys why you want to do one certain thing in particular here right now. Is once you got your bracket on like this, make sure you're putting your bolts through the front side of the blade here, because you don't want your bolts sticking out this side of the blade, the front side, the face side. So put your bolts with the heads going into the blade, and then put your locking nuts on the back side here. Bracket goes just like this, and then when you go to put your handle on, and the directions, it tells you to lay it flat like this. Have your handle facing with the logo down so that you can drill your self drilling screws here. I'm going to use a drill there to do mine. You got 3 indentations on the back of your bracket here. That's where those 3 screws go, and they drill right into your handle there, so you get a good strong grip, and then that's your assembly.